What is up guys, Planet this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send your CV to anyone via LinkedIn. So first you need to head over to the LinkedIn's website and then you need to sign up or log into your account. And after that, when you are welcome to the home page, from here you will see the add profile section under your profile. And when you click on this add profile section, from here you need to click on recommended and then click on add featured. And from here you can add your resume, but you have the option to also add your resume through a LinkedIn post or through a LinkedIn article, or if you have your resume on a link, you can click on add a link and then add your resume link. So let's say if you want to add a want to add your CV through a post, click on add a post, and from here you can choose whatever you'd like, whatever template you'd like, and from here you can just upload your CV. So this is how you can send your CV on LinkedIn to anyone. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.